Listen closely because this moment right here could be the turning point you've been waiting for. We live in a world obsessed with shortcuts, quick wins, and overnight success stories. But let me tell you the truth people rarely say out loud. Life is nothing without hard work. Not success, not fulfillment, not greatness. Life itself loses its meaning when you stop fighting for something bigger than you. Today, I'm giving you 6 powerful truths, the kind that don't just inspire, they ignite. Hard work is the only guarantee you will ever have in this life. And the sooner you understand that, the stronger your foundation becomes. Everything else, connections, luck, timing, opportunities, can shift without warning. They're fragile, unpredictable, and often outside your control. But the effort you choose to give, the grit you bring every single day, that's yours. That's the one constant, the one force that doesn't depend on the world being fair. Hard work becomes your anchor, your weapon, your truth. When the noise of doubt gets loud, when life throws chaos at you, you can always return to this one unshakable reality. You control how hard you work. And that alone can change your entire destiny. Because the truth is, people don't succeed simply because they are gifted. Talent is a spark, it can light the match, but it cannot keep the fire alive. Skill fades when it's ignored, intelligence dulls when it isn't used. Even the brightest mind in the room becomes irrelevant without discipline. Hard work is what sharpens talent. Hard work is what transforms potential into mastery. Hard work is what separates the dreamers from the achievers. There are millions of talented people in the world, but the ones who rise, the ones who break through barriers, rewrite their story, and build something extraordinary, they are the ones who show up when everyone else goes home. They are the ones who keep pushing long after talent alone would have quit. And the reason hard work is such a powerful guarantee is because it never lies. You can fake confidence, you can fake enthusiasm, you can fake capability for a moment, but you cannot fake effort. You cannot cheat the hours you didn't put in, you cannot outrun the consequences of laziness. Life has a way of revealing who did the work and who didn't, and it shows up in ways you can hide: your results, your growth, your resilience, your ability to rise under pressure. Hard work stamps itself into your character. Every step you take, every sacrifice you make, every hour you invest becomes part of the foundation that no one else can claim. You earn it, you build it, you carry it with you everywhere you go. There is a confidence that only comes from putting in the work, not the artificial confidence people display on social media, not the temporary confidence of applause, but the quiet, unshakable confidence born from knowing exactly what you've survived and exactly how far you've come. When you've worked for something, really worked for it, you walk differently, you stand differently, you speak differently, because you know deep in your bones that you didn't get here by accident. You didn't luck your way into anything. You fought, you built, you earned. And once you've earned something with sweat, persistence, sacrifice, and patience, you value it on a level that people who took shortcuts will never understand. But here's the part most people miss: hard work doesn't just shape your success, it shapes you. It becomes the compass that guides your choices, the engine that drives your ambition, the mirror that reflects your potential. When you commit to hard work, you commit to becoming stronger, wiser, and more capable than you were yesterday. You commit to growth even when the process hurts. You commit to the version of yourself that refuses to settle. People often chase the outcome: money, recognition, comfort, but the real treasure is who you become along the way. Hard work toughens your spirit. It builds emotional endurance. It teaches you how to stand in moments when everything in you wants to break. It becomes your inner armor, the kind that protects you long after the success has been achieved. And ultimately, hard work becomes the one part of your life no one can touch. People may doubt you, criticize you, underestimate you, but they cannot erase the work you've done. They cannot undo your dedication. They cannot diminish the hours you've invested when no one was watching. The world might try to take credit when you win or blame you when you fail, but the truth remains: the effort you put in belongs to you and only you. It becomes the guarantee you carry through every season of your life. When opportunities appear, you'll be ready because you built yourself for that moment. When setbacks happen, you'll survive because you trained resilience into your bones. When life shifts, you won't crumble because hard work taught you how to rebuild. Hard work is not just a path to success, it is the insurance policy for every dream you dare to chase. And if you remember nothing else from this point, remember this: hard work is the only part of your story that you can control, the only promise you can always keep, and the only force powerful enough to turn the life you have into the life you want. If life feels heavy right now, if every step forward feels like climbing a mountain, I want you to hear this clearly. Your struggle is proof that you are still in the game. Struggle is not a curse. It is not a signal that you are failing. On the contrary, struggle is evidence that you are alive, that you are trying, that you are pushing against forces that want to keep you small. Every challenge, every setback, every sleepless night is a sign that you are moving, even when it doesn't feel like it. The truth is, growth does not happen in comfort zones. Transformation is never born from ease. It is born from struggle. And struggle is the universe's way of asking, do you really want this? Are you willing to fight for it? Think about it. If success came easy, if life flowed without obstacles, would it even matter? Would you even feel the satisfaction of victory? Struggle gives context to your triumphs. It creates the contrast that makes achievement meaningful. Without resistance, without obstacles, the taste of accomplishment is flat, lifeless. Every time you face a challenge and refuse to give up, you are building more than just skill. You are building resilience, fortitude, and a sense of purpose that cannot be shaken. Each hardship is an invisible trainer, shaping you into someone stronger, sharper, and more capable than you were yesterday. But here's the secret people rarely tell you. The moment you start seeing struggle as your ally, not your enemy, your life changes. Most people fear struggle. They avoid it, numb it, or complain about it endlessly. And in doing so, they miss the lesson it carries. Struggle is your teacher, your guide, your mirror. It exposes your weaknesses, yes, but it also reveals your untapped strength. It shows you what you're capable of when you refuse to quit. And the sooner you embrace that perspective, the faster you grow. Struggle is not a stop sign. It is a compass pointing you in the direction of your most important work. Every struggle is also an opportunity to redefine your limits. You think you know what you can endure, but life will push you further than you imagined. The person you are today cannot survive the life you are meant to live tomorrow. Hardship stretches you. Hardship challenges your assumptions about yourself. It forces you to rise, to adapt, to fight, and to keep moving when every fiber of your being wants to stop. If you resist struggle, you resist growth. If you deny it, you deny yourself the chance to become the person you were born to be. Every difficult moment is a doorway, waiting for you to step through it and claim the strength on the other side. And let's not romanticize struggle. It's painful, exhausting, sometimes humiliating. But here's the part that will change your perspective forever. Pain is temporary. The lessons you extract, the resilience you build, the person you become, that is permanent. People remember the results, not the hours of hardship it took to get there. The scars you bear become badges of honor, proof that you were willing to endure, to fight, to persist when others turned away. Struggle refines you. It burns away the unnecessary, leaves only what is essential, and molds you into someone who can stand tall no matter the storm. Finally, struggle proves that you are alive and moving forward, even if the world cannot see it. Life is not a straight line. It is messy, unpredictable, and often unfair. You will stumble, you will fall, you will want to quit. And that is exactly when your struggle becomes your most powerful asset. Every time you rise again, every time you push past fear, doubt, and exhaustion, you reinforce the one truth that cannot be stolen. You are capable of more than you ever imagined. The battles you fight today are the foundation for the victories of tomorrow. If you embrace struggle instead of fearing it, you will discover that it is not just a challenge, it is your ticket to greatness. So hear this and let it settle deep in your bones. Your struggle is not a sign of weakness. It is proof that you are alive, that you are growing, and that your potential is far greater than your obstacles. Embrace it, fight through it, and rise stronger. Comfort is the quiet enemy, the subtle thief of potential, the invisible force that lulls you into mediocrity. Most people think failure is the thing to fear, the mistakes, the losses, the embarrassment, but the real danger lies in comfort. Comfort convinces you that good enough is enough. It whispers that you don't need to push harder, that the safe path is the smartest path, that settling is okay. And slowly, almost without noticing, it steals your fire, your ambition, and your edge. Comfort is seductive because it feels easy, but ease is not the measure of a meaningful life. Challenge, struggle, and even discomfort. These are the ingredients that create greatness. Without discomfort, growth stops. Progress halts, dreams fade. The harsh truth is that comfort masks fear. We tell ourselves we are choosing peace or stability, but often we are really avoiding the work that would change our lives. Taking risks, facing rejection, staying disciplined when no one is watching, these are uncomfortable. They test your resolve, your courage, and your willingness to step into the unknown. But here's the reality. Nothing worth achieving comes without discomfort. Every person who has changed the world, every person who has left a mark, has learned to embrace the unease, the tension, the grind that comfort would have denied them. Comfort is easy. Greatness is earned. When you remain in comfort, you are choosing a life of stagnation over transformation. You are choosing what is safe over what is extraordinary. Life is not meant to be lived in predictable routines that soothe the ego but starve the soul. Every time you choose comfort, you trade a piece of your potential. You tell yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll try later, I'll wait for the right moment, and in doing so, you give away your power. Hard work and risk demand discomfort. Sacrifice demands discomfort. Progress demands discomfort. If you want a life that excites you, that challenges you, that leaves a legacy, you must learn to walk through the discomfort with your head held high. The truth is, comfort is not just the enemy of success, it is the enemy of identity. Who you become is dictated by the choices you make when it is hard, when it is inconvenient, when it is uncomfortable. Settling may bring temporary relief, but it erodes confidence, ambition, and self-respect over time. The person you aspire to be cannot exist within a bubble of comfort. You must push against the boundaries of what is easy. You must confront your limitations, challenge your fears, and embrace the moments that make you tremble, sweat, and doubt yourself. Because that is where growth lives. Right outside the cozy, predictable world everyone else settles for. Comfort also disguises itself as safety, but it is a trap. It may feel protective, but it keeps you from exploring your capabilities. It tells you to avoid failure, but failure is a teacher. It tells you to avoid risk, but risk is how you expand. It tells you to avoid change, but change is the only path to progress. If you allow comfort to dictate your decisions, you will never know the depths of your strength or the heights of your potential. The life you dream of, the one that makes your heart race and your soul ache with possibility, requires that you step boldly beyond comfort. Step into fear, into challenge, into the unknown, and watch yourself grow into someone you barely recognize, but deeply respect. Finally, greatness is forged where comfort ends. The people who change the world, who inspire nations, who leave a lasting impact, they are the ones who refuse to settle. They embraced risk, they embraced challenge, they embraced discomfort as a necessary companion on the road to achievement. And that is the gift for anyone willing to do the same. Discomfort is not punishment, it is a sign that you are moving towards something bigger than yourself. It is proof that you are alive, that you are awake, and that your life has the potential to matter in ways that comfort would never allow. Choose discomfort. Choose growth. Choose to rise above the easy path. Remember this: comfort is not your friend, it is your enemy. True success, true fulfillment, and true identity are forged in discomfort, not ease. Step beyond comfort, embrace the challenge, and rise to the life you were meant to live. Discipline is the bridge between who you are and who you want to become, and yet it is the one quality that most people underestimate. Motivation is temporary, inspiration is fleeting. Feelings come and go, but discipline, real discipline, remains steadfast. It doesn't care if you're tired, if you're scared, or if you don't feel like it. Discipline is not glamorous. It doesn't make for flashy social media posts, but it is the backbone of every success story, the hidden engine behind every achievement, and the invisible thread that connects effort to results. Without discipline, talent is wasted, dreams are delayed, and potential dies quietly in the shadows of maybe someday. Discipline is showing up when no one is watching. It is waking up before the world demands it, grinding through the hours when the applause is absent, and putting in the work even when you feel like quitting. Anyone can work hard when it's easy, when the conditions are perfect, when energy and excitement are high. But discipline is doing the work when it is uncomfortable, inconvenient, and exhausting. That is when character is built, when strength is forged, and when the gap between ordinary and extraordinary begins to close. Discipline is not a one-time act. It is a consistent practice, repeated over days, months, and years, until it becomes part of who you are. The difference between those who succeed and those who settle rarely lies in talent or luck. It lies in the commitment to discipline. Discipline is the quiet force that turns intentions into outcomes. It turns dreams into reality. It transforms chaos into order. People who cultivate discipline understand that every small, deliberate action compounds over time. Every time you push yourself to stick to your plan, resist temptation, and honor your commitments, you are laying another brick in the foundation of your future. Nothing meaningful happens overnight, but discipline guarantees that progress, no matter how slow, is inevitable. Discipline is also the antidote to doubt and fear. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline carries you through when self-belief falters. It ensures that you continue even when uncertainty looms, when failure seems likely, or when the world tells you that you cannot. It turns persistence into habit and habit into identity. By choosing discipline over convenience, you define the person you are becoming. You no longer rely on external validation or fleeting feelings of inspiration. Instead, you operate from a place of internal authority, a self-generated power that keeps you moving forward even when the path is unclear. True discipline is not about restriction or punishment, it is about freedom. The discipline to manage your time, energy, and focus gives you control over your life. It allows you to pursue your goals with clarity and intention. When you are disciplined, you are not at the mercy of circumstance. You are not drifting through life waiting for luck or opportunity to strike. Discipline puts you in the driver's seat. It empowers you to make choices aligned with your highest vision of yourself. The sacrifices you make today, saying no to distraction, resisting comfort, pushing through fatigue, become the fuel for the life you dream of tomorrow. Ultimately, discipline is the foundation of resilience, mastery, and greatness. It is what separates those who merely dream from those who achieve. Every successful person you admire has one thing in common: they mastered discipline. They honored their commitments, kept showing up, and refused to let temporary discomfort dictate the outcome of their lives. Discipline is not optional if you want to create a life of impact, fulfillment, and purpose. It is non-negotiable. It is the bridge you must cross every day to transform your potential into reality, to turn your effort into legacy, and to become the person you were always meant to be. Remember this: discipline is not a restriction, it is your power. It is the bridge between your dreams and your reality. Commit to it relentlessly, and nothing in this world can stop you from becoming who you are meant to be. Hard work gives your life direction, purpose, and identity in ways nothing else can. Dreams alone are fragile. Visions without effort are illusions. You can imagine a future for yourself, but if you do not act, it will remain a shadow, a wish that never materializes. Every hour you dedicate, every sacrifice you make, every ounce of effort you pour into your goals builds the framework of a meaningful life. Purpose is not something you are handed. It is something you craft through persistence, courage, and relentless labor. Hard work shapes who you are at the core and turns your aspirations into a tangible living reality. When you commit to hard work, you are no longer wandering aimlessly through life. Direction emerges. Every action, every choice, every small step begins to align with something bigger than yourself. Without effort, life drifts like a ship lost at sea. You may move, but you do not advance. Hard work gives clarity, it sharpens focus, it allows you to prioritize what matters, to cut through distractions, and to channel your energy into the work that produces results. When you labor consistently toward your goals, you not only move forward, you gain momentum. And momentum is the difference between dreams that die and dreams that thrive. Purpose is the fire that sustains you when the world grows cold. Life will test you, challenge you, and sometimes make you question why you began. But when your work is tied to a purpose, when every effort connects to something meaningful, you endure. Hard work transforms pain, frustration, and setbacks into fuel. It gives you a reason to rise before the sun, to push when exhaustion weighs heavy, and to keep going when everyone else would stop. It is purpose made tangible, the act of turning vision into action, hope into reality, and potential into achievement. Identity is forged in the crucible of effort. Who you are is not determined by circumstances or luck. It is defined by the choices you make and the work you put in. Every time you push through fear, self-doubt, and fatigue, you send a message to yourself, I am capable, I am committed. Embrace it relentlessly, and your life will become a masterpiece of effort, meaning, and impact. Your legacy will be built on effort, not excuses. People often underestimate how much their choices today shape the story that will be remembered tomorrow. It is easy to blame circumstances, the people around you, or the timing of life for the outcomes you achieve or fail to achieve. But the truth is, excuses never build anything of value. They erode trust, weaken character, and leave potential unrealized. The people who leave a mark on this world understand this principle. They take ownership of their actions, show up consistently, and refuse to let excuses dictate the quality of their life. Your effort and your willingness to push past excuses is the blueprint of your lasting impact. Every action you take compounds over time. A life lived with intentionality and effort becomes a legacy of strength, resilience, and achievement. Every small task, every sacrifice, every moment you invest in growth becomes a building block for the story people will tell about you long after you are gone. Legacy is not about fame or recognition, it is about the sum of your choices, the results you produce, and the courage you demonstrate in the face of adversity. Excuses may feel comfortable, but they leave nothing behind. Effort, no matter how small it seems in the moment, leaves footprints that endure. Effort defines reputation in ways words never can. People do not remember what you intended to do, they remember what you actually did. They do not remember the plans you made, they remember the results you produced. Every person who has inspired a nation, changed a community, or reshaped a field did so through relentless effort. They faced setbacks, disappointment, and fatigue, but they acted anyway. They showed up even when it was inconvenient, difficult, or uncertain. And that is the power of effort. It transforms intention into reality, potential into accomplishment, and vision into a legacy. Excuses are the easy path, the comfortable shield against failure. But they are also the silent thief of dreams. They convince you that you are justified in inaction, that the world owes you success, that someone else is responsible for your outcome. And in the quiet, they slowly strip you of power. When you choose effort instead, you reclaim control. You prove to yourself that you are capable, resilient, and relentless. Every time you push past fatigue, fear, or doubt, you create a record of persistence that no one can erase. Every day of effort builds the person future generations will look up to. Effort also builds influence. Your hard work inspires others, sets standards, and creates a ripple effect beyond your immediate life. People notice commitment, they respect perseverance, they are drawn to those who refuse to settle for mediocrity. Your legacy is not just what you accomplish for yourself, it is the impact you leave on others. Every hour spent pushing your limits, every moment you refuse to give in to excuses, extends far beyond you. Your efforts plant seeds of courage, ambition, and excellence that continue to grow long after the work is done. Ultimately, the story of your life will be measured not by the excuses you made or the comfort you chased, but by the effort you invested in becoming the best version of yourself. Effort shapes identity, builds resilience, produces results, and leaves a permanent imprint on the world. Every challenge faced, every risk taken, every late night and early morning contributes to a legacy that transcends time. Excuses fade, fear fades, discomfort fades. Effort, persistence, and commitment endure. They are the true currency of a life that matters. They are the measure of whether your life will be remembered or forgotten. Remember this, your legacy is built on effort, not excuses. Show up relentlessly, act courageously, and let every choice, every sacrifice, and every moment of persistence carve a life that will be remembered forever. Consistency is the invisible force that separates ordinary lives from extraordinary ones. Talent, opportunity, and passion can ignite sparks, but it is consistency that sustains the flame. The world celebrates instant success, viral moments, and overnight breakthroughs, but rarely do we see the countless hours, repeated effort, and unwavering commitment that made those successes possible. Consistency is invisible because it often happens behind closed doors, without applause or recognition. Yet it is the quiet, relentless heartbeat of achievement. Without it, even the brightest ideas, the strongest intentions, and the most daring dreams wither into nothing. Consistency transforms effort into results. One inspired action can feel monumental, but without repetition, it is fleeting. Results are rarely born from a single moment of brilliance. They are forged from the repeated action. Show up, persist, and act relentlessly, for it is the daily commitment, repeated without fail, that transforms dreams into reality and effort into legacy.